that is an additional one from the main event. Okay, the venue name, let's call it the Philadelphia, oops, Gymnastics Center. All right, and the address is 2614 East Lancaster Avenue. That's in Malvern, Pennsylvania. And then the zip code is 19103. Now it's important you put all of this information in here, because once you save it, the system will allow you to get directions to this particular event. So once we've added this event, it drops down here, and then you'll notice you have the option to be able to put another event in. You can always go back and change this particular event. You'll also have the ability to remove this venue. Okay, so you can have as many venues as you want. So let's move on to hotels. Hotels work exactly the same way, although you have to put a little bit more information in there. So if you have a series of hotels that parents or coaches can stay at, it allows you to add them in this area. So I'm going to add this one. It's the Philadelphia Midtown Holiday Inn. Okay. And if you have contracted with a specific person, then you can put them in there. Okay. Ross. Okay. And then you can put in their phone number. Also, you can put in their email address. I'm just going to make this up. Alex@holidayinn.com. Okay. And then put the address of the actual hotel. Philadelphia. All right. And then in this box, you might want to put in what some of the accommodations are, or some of the advantages of staying at this particular hotel. Maybe like, free breakfast, located downtown. How about pet friendly? Okay, so anything that you might want to say about this particular hotel. And then, of course, what you want to do is put the hotel website, so that when someone clicks on this, they're able to actually register at a particular hotel. So let's put in the I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, and then hit save. And just like in the venues, you'll notice that it allows you to add more than one hotel if you prefer. Okay. Next thing is, you want to put some kind of logo image up on the website to identify you. And you'll notice you can put a logo image here. We're not using header image, and we're not using report image right now. So what you want to have is the logo image, and then hit choose file. and I will go to my desktop. And test event, we'll use that. Hit open. And then hit add image. And once you have added the image, you can see that this image is right here. Okay, so that you know you have the correct one. For some reason, if you wanted to remove the image, you would just click on this and then hit remove selected image, and it would take it away. You could put something else up in there if you made a mistake. Okay. All right. So once you've added the image, you've seen it here. We put in the hotels, we put in the venues, we put in the general information. Okay. So let's go to the home page now. All right, and let's refresh. And here we have the BSN Philadelphia test event. This event is operated by CHR Sports Network because you'll notice that, remember, I created the event. We have the actual event location, the date. We actually have the age groups and the number of games. And if we go to the event page, what we can see here is the registration fees, early discounts available. We can see that this particular event is an NCAA exposure. Over 120 teams attended last year. Here we have a location. Okay, then we have the venue information, so you can show maps. And you'll notice that it picks it up right here and shows it. Also the admissions information. And then if we go to hotels, we see also we have the hotel right here. There we go, right to Holiday Inn. And if you want to search to get directions, it also has directions on how to get right there. So it's important when you're putting in these venues in the hotels that you make sure that you put all of the correct information in. All right, that ends our tutorial on how to put an event into the control panel on PremierTeamNetwork.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.